Hi, I'm Tyler. I'm going to show you how to do things. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a bowl of cereal. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to need is a bowl. Oh, here we go. Now the things I like about this bowl is that it's nice and lightweight, has a beautiful brown color, and it has a handle on it so you can take it with you wherever you go. The next thing I'm going to need is some cereal. Alright, now we have some cereal. Now some people like putting in the milk first, but that's just ridiculous. Alright, now I'm going to open up the box and pour it right in the bowl. Now ideally you would want frosted mini spooners, but frosted mini wheats will work in a pinch. The next thing we're going to need is some milk. Now this kind you need to shake, so let me give it a good shake. Alright, that ought to do. Now I'm going to pour it up to about the line of the cereal. Alright, that's good stuff. The next step is to get a spoon. Now I like to use a nice and big one so you can fit multiple chunks onto the spoon at a time. Now this last step is optional, but if you like to add a little more flavor, you can put some frozen fruit on top. Okay, that's pretty frozen. Alright, sometimes they get a little freezer burn and you have to break up the chunks. There we go. Now we can just dig in and enjoy a good snack. Alright, I want to give a big shout out to one of my biggest supporters, Anne, for the idea on this video. I'm Wild Rice Rust, and I just showed you how to make a bowl of cereal. Now click below to subscribe and comment what you want to see in the next video. Well, see you around.